All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is adding a blueprint. So again, I'm going to create a new slide for the plate layout. And what we're going to do now is we can see there is a blueprint drop down here. And in here is where we can select a blueprint to show to the end user. So for example, if I want to do 24-inch studs on center, I would do that. We can still include our slide text. So this is the blueprint for a simple wall with studs set at 24 inches on center. All right, so that's how we would set up that. It should be noted that some challenges require you to select a blueprint, so if, for example, the missing mark and the plate layout, those are both based on a blueprint, so you have to have a blueprint selected for those. But for the other two challenges, none and question, you do not have to have a blueprint selected. There are 6 built-in blueprints. We do not support adding your own blueprint as of right now. But here are the 6 that you got. You've got 16-inch on center. You've got 24-inch on center. You've got 12-inch on center. You've got a 16-inch on center with a 3068 rough opening for a 3068 door. So you can see the blueprint over here has it's a rough opening for a 3068 door. In the center of that rough opening is 4 foot 2 inches from the left side of the wall. We also have a window. So this is another wall. It's got 16-inch studs on center, and then a rough opening for a 5036 window. And the center line for that window is 5 feet from the left. And then the most complicated one is a wall with 16-inch studs on center, and then a rough opening for a 3636 window and a rough opening for a 2860 door. So those are your options as a author. You can set up different stuff. We'll just leave it as 24 inches. Go ahead and save that, and I'll show you what that looks like for the end user. So let's go ahead and rename this to rename slide to what do we call this? Blueprint. We'll say blueprint. And we'll submit that, and we'll save this activity. And we're going to come back here, and we will see that this is what the end user sees. So the previous slide we had slide text. Now we've got some slide text and a blueprint, and the user is able to click on that and inspect that.